3 things you need to know about Amazon FBA, but there is a problem here. Most of us think that we know everything about Amazon and we start selling on Amazon, but you know what? This is not true. In this video, I will be telling you 3 things. Yes, 3 things that are mandatory for you to know about Amazon FBA if you want to start selling this year. So I highly recommend that you watch this video till the end, as missing out on this information will cost you a fortune in your Amazon business. What is the most important thing that you want to learn about Amazon FBA? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Sanya here, Best Amazon FBA Coach for 2018, and welcome to my channel, which is an easy way to learn about Amazon business. So if you want to learn Amazon the quick and easy way, then do subscribe to my channel, and don't worry, it's free guys, so you can always unsubscribe it, but right now do subscribe it. And don't forget to download my Amazon FBA 5-step guide here on sanyabillofficial.com. It's totally free now, but make sure to download it as soon as possible before I start charging for it, because it's an awesome resource to learn about Amazon step by step. Over the last 2 years, I have been coaching people on how to private label a product and launching it on Amazon. I worked with so many students and I surveyed that I found some major commonalities with the people who have not succeeded, and there are 3 things that I have discovered which I'm going to share today. These things will not make you millionaire overnight, but they are quick, useful in order to take you to that path of success. Okay, the first one is time. Because time is money and time is a resource. So you have got 2 resources in your life, money and time. Most people have more time than money, and some people have more money than time. Chances are, if you are starting out the business, you are probably someone that has a little bit of time, and you're probably working on like a job and try to get something going. And don't worry, we all started like this. So in our case, I will be talking about having more time than money, because that is what is our situation right now, right? I remember what I used to do is like I would wait until I get home from my job, and then I would work a couple of hours on Amazon. So what you have to do is try to get that time in there, and you need to be as focused during that time as possible. You want to make sure you shut off all distractions, focus on one product and build that first instead of focusing on multiple. If you're sitting there trying to manage multiple products while trying to learn the new platform and trying to set up marketing for different products, then you are not going to be effective, and your success curve will be longer and very difficult. Believe me, guys. So start with one product until you start getting profit from it. After the few months are up, evaluate your costs and income and determine if you can make a lot more money by using the service for a larger portion of your product. Then go for more. So this step is all about time and money. So the time you have, and then you have to use the time according to the product you have, and I suggest to have one product so that you can profit from your time. And right now we are talking about the time here. Real quick guys, if you want to know how to research the product step by step, then find my profitable 10K per month product, then do watch my video here. I explain here in detail, so go ahead and check that out. I will also give the link in the description down below so you can watch it later on. Okay, the second thing is understanding the whole business model. I don't know how many times people I have seen like this happen, where someone will get into Amazon business and they will just go straight in it. And I kind of support that, but taking action is good and all that mindset. But this is now how it goes, guys. You have to understand the entire business model first and how the entire process works. I have a video right here where I talk straight about the entire business model from A to Z. So do check it out. I will also give the link in the description down below. Guys, you need to understand why things happen like the way they do. So if you are at the beginning and you're doing product research but you have no idea about patents and you have no idea about profit margins, and you're like, you know what, I found a product, I think it looks cool, I'm gonna purchase it. So you get that shipped to Amazon and you buy that, then you get it to a point where you're like, I'm not making any money, or my listing got deleted because I needed to check for patents. So absolutely, like, you're gonna fail, right? So from the beginning, from the end, from the product research to contacting suppliers, and from ordering your first product to getting it shipped on Amazon warehouse and creating your listing to ranking your product and to all the way to scaling your business, the process and learning about the process is really, really important. All of these things need to be understood, and how the business model works is very important. So that when you start and when you are at the certain stage of your business, you understand it completely. You don't want to be thrown into Amazon FBA and just go all in, spend all this money, and then not realizing that you should probably have a 30% plus profit and not a 10% profit. And you didn't want, and you didn't know, because you didn't pay attention to how the business model works. So remember, that is very important that you learn about it and understand it completely before you even start Amazon FBA. Okay, so now let's talk about the third thing, and that is most important: follow a blueprint or a course. Okay, I don't care if you buy my course. Obviously, I'm biased because I have built the Amazon FBA company and I believe in it and I stand by it 1000% for sure. I have helped thousands of people worldwide and I love it. But the point here is not that. The point is whether you follow me or you get another person incredible course or you hire a mentor, just follow the blueprint that somebody laid out for you. The reason why you need to follow a blueprint is because it's already been done before and people have already seen success with Amazon FBA. You need to understand and trust the process, or a person, or like anything, but you need to understand and you have to trust it. Anybody who has ever succeeded in businesses got a formula that they use in order to succeed in their business. Same like there's a formula to succeed in FBA. There's a formula to succeed in drop shipping. There's a formula to like know how to lose a weight. So everything in life got a formula if you want to succeed in that. Whether it's someone like me who has done it already and I have the blueprint that I'll show you guys, or somebody else, like I said, who's incredible, just follow them. Just make sure that you have guidance. It will keep away from a lot of problem and stress, and you will be more efficient and will be more effective, which is my goal with this YouTube channel, is to allow you guys to be more effective, more efficient in the process, in your business. So you guys don't waste your time and money on useless things and the things you want to be concentrating in. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. I see this kind of messages all the time, like, what makes you proven? If what you teach is so incredible and proven, why are you spending your time doing it and multiplying it by 100x instead of selling us the know-how? I would really appreciate an honest answer, as I'm struggling to find an answer for these questions. These questions make me feel about the person, because he is wasting so much time in researching for the answer to this question, that whether that person is, that he's listening or watching, is legit or not. If he spent that time in researching about the business, he should have succeeded in that. That is the reason in our world, our brains are so filled with negativity and we think that everyone is a scammer and wants to take our money. I'm not saying that this is not true, but if you don't trust a process, that how are you going to succeed or anything in your life? You need to try by investing in yourself. If it doesn't work, then it won't give you any harm. But if it does, it will change your life. You know, guys, if you didn't try, then you regret. It will be like forever. And believe me, that is a bad situation to be in, the regret life. To answer this question, let me tell you that all successful entrepreneurs tell us that to have multiple streams of income. Therefore, if like me are selling on Amazon, then teaching about it will be another stream of income, and that will help me to grow my business more. And if I am good at something, or if you are good in something, then spreading that and helping other people would be like not doing it would be a sin. And especially if you know that it can change other people's life. Therefore, whatever knowledge you have, spread it and don't keep it to yourself. Let me give you an example. The person who teaches us how to fly an airplane is a pilot and earns pretty good money. But then, why is he wasting time in teaching instead of flying himself and earning from it? Because people want to have multiple streams of income and also love to share their experiences and help them succeed. So thinking these things will weaken your mind and shift your focus from your goal to like crappy stuff. Once again, don't forget to download my 5-step Amazon FBA guide on Amazon on sanyabillofficial.com. It is totally free, so grab it as soon as possible. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thank you guys so much, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, for all the support. Let me know if you guys like my videos, and thank you guys so much for the love and support. See you guys in the next video here.